So in this video we are going to look at the MSMP new workflow, which is provided as part of GRC 12.0, which is basically Firefighter ID review workflow. So I'm in this GRC, I'm in the BC set, GRC MSMP configuration, BC set. I'm just going to display it. If I go down, you can see here a workflow called GRC Firefighter review. So this is a new workflow introduced. Basically this will help you review the firefighter which are assigned to, for example, they typically some companies have firefighters which are assigned for 6 months to 1 year. So you can basically review those firefighter IDs through a workflow. Okay, so this is basically being pushed by an auditors, saying that the firefighter IDs are not being reviewed. Okay, so that is the where they're. So I'm going to enable this firefighter, this BC set. Let's see whether I'm able to get the new one. Okay. Okay, so it gives an error. Okay, see what I can be. Okay, let's go and look. PRO, access control, workflow for access control, firefighter ID view. Okay, so that's available. So if I go to next, so control agent, firefighter owner agent, initiator. Okay, so it's basically mapped to firefighter initiator. So I have control agent. And okay, let's go. So I have agents, firefighter agent, and owner agent, requester. Okay, so you have variables here, you have path, default path, nothing is defined. Default path. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download a step-by-step guide. Thank you.